Hey everyone, today I'm checking out this Wi-Fi smart Deadbolt that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a 6-in-1 device that promises top-tier convenience and security without having a Wi-Fi hub because it has inbuilt Wi-Fi, which I think that it's really nice. Inside the box, you'll find first the user manual and some templates on how to install it that are gonna come handy in a bit, and you'll find the e-lock unit, both the interior and exterior panels, which uses 8 AA batteries and a USB-C cable for emergency power when we need it, a set of backup keys, 2 different key FOBs, and all the hardware that we're gonna need. The do-it-yourself installation is actually a breeze. It fits most standard doors. You just need to align it, insert the screws, install the batteries, tighten the proper knob, and then you are good. You don't need to do any kind of additional drilling or any kind of wiring. Now let's set up the fingertip, okay?
Please put your finger.
I'm gonna use the left thumb, and the
Please put your finger again.
proper connection process
Please put your finger.
is
Please put your
really
finger again.
simple.
Please put
It
your
will give
finger
you
again.
all the indications,
Please put your finger again. Add succeeded. Number
and
0, 5,
something that
0.
think that it's nice is that it's really accurate thanks to its AI recognition patterns, and it goes around 0.3 seconds with a percentage of 99% of precision, which I think that it's really fast enough to just walk when you are placing your thumb and don't having to stop at all. Okay. Now that it's ready, I'm gonna lock it.
Locked.
As you can see,
Unlocked.
really quick. Okay, and now let's talk about the application. You don't need any kind of hub to use it. You can unlock it from anywhere that you are. You can also lock it. You can see the record of who's opened it, when it's opened, and you can check out anytime someone enters. You can add members. You can give temporary passwords and give them to your family members, other kind of members. And you can register all without having to worry, and you can also set it up for that it doesn't work at certain times with the application, just the physical lock, which I think that it's really nice. And for those that won't use the application, you got some key fobs that you just have to swipe
Verification
and it will
succeeded.
unlock. Okay, you can also use voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Home, and in case that you walk away, it has a automatic lock function that will go up ranging from 10 seconds up to 30 minutes, so you don't have to worry about it. Another function that I think that it's nice is that you can protect your password with a anti-peeping method that you can place some numbers before and after your code, so anyone won't know what is the actual code, and it will still be working, and now you can unlock it, which I think it's really helpful. This lock is built for real life. It is rated for rain, even extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees, which I think that it's perfect, and it's perfect for rugged use. So you can use it on your front doors, on your rental, or even in your vacational home, which I think is gonna be really nice. Powered by 8 AA batteries, it gives long-lasting power and sends an app alert at 18% battery. If it dies, just plug in USB-C power bank to unlock it instantly. No lockout stress. Bottom line, this door lock offers a quick fingertip access. You get fully remote control without having a hub. It has some really versatile options to unlock it, and I think that it's great. I think that it's a great upgrade from the traditional deadbolts, and overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.